Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off your True Wireless Sound G02 earbuds. So to do this we have to take them of course out of the case and click and hold on the both touchpads for around 2 seconds until this indicator turns on. So let's power them on, click and hold. There we go, as you can see they are turned on and they are also activated on my phone right now, so it means that we successfully turned them on. To power them off we have to click and hold also together, but not for 2, right now for 4 seconds. So click and hold them. Right now they turn off. So right now you can release the buttons. As you can see they are not activated anymore with my phone, so it means that I successfully turn them off. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.